Well, today could be the day. We are hopefully going to be getting some snow later on this evening. It's supposed to be a wintry mix today, so we're looking for a blizzard coming on. And hey, baby. That's probably really close. So we'll see what happens. It's about 9 o'clock, and I am headed out the door to work. So hopefully I won't get snowed in at work. No, I'm just kidding. Shouldn't happen. Mommy and Allie hanging out.
Don't get me.
What's up? Hey. Hey. What are you doing, Bright Eyes? Yeah. Are you ready for the snow? Say it's not fair. I've been alive 4 months and I'm already going to see snow today. That is not fair, is it? Yes. Yes, ma'am. That's right.
Get him. Go get him.
That's right.
Get him.
Yep. Alright, you be a sweet girl today, okay? Headed off to work. We'll see what happens today. Good morning. You're gonna spit tea out. Obviously somebody is ready for nap time. It's now just after 7 o'clock and we just finished supper. Got the kitchen cleaned up, dishes washed and everything. And now we're just waiting on it to start snowing. I don't think it's gonna be anytime soon. Walk out the door. I don't know if you can hear it or not. I know you can't really see it, but it's still just raining. Ooh, almost dropped the camera. It's supposed to be freezing rain at this point or so, and it's really cold out here, but definitely not snowing yet. It's probably going to be, I think, more closer to midnight before it starts snowing, but we're praying that we wake up in the morning with some snow on the ground. So just hanging out. Hey girls. Hey, what are we going to pray for tonight?
We hope it snows.
We do. What are we going to do if it snows?
Go outside and play and make snow angels.
We are. Whoa.
Yes.
That'll be awesome. It's cold.
Yeah.
Well, it's about 11 o'clock tonight, and just tried to stay awake as long as we could and see if we could make it till it started snowing. But walk outside here. It's wicked cold, but I know you can't really see much. But no snow. None. Ooh, that ice. It does, however. Yes, we are getting a little sleet now. You can kind of see it there. See the reflection off the car? So, just now recently, ooh, there's a good one up here. See, reflecting off my car there. Just now recently, transitioning from rain to sleet. So, according to old Ben Jones on 13 WMSE, we might get some snow in an hour or two, might not. We'll just have to see what happens. Who knows? But it is supposed to be super icy around here. So with all that wetness out there, and it's supposed to get super cold tonight. So we are prepared here at the Hitchcock household, just in case the power does go out. Got handy dandy flashlight ready. Filling up the sink here with some water, just in case the water goes out or something. We'll have some water there in the sink. Got 2 jugs here we saved full of water. Take you this way. But here in the bathroom, we filled the sink up with water and filled the bathtub up a little bit with water. So, got plenty of preparations here around the house. Got plenty of blankets if the power goes out, heat goes out. So just prepared for anything that could happen. And but still waiting on snow. Don't know if it's gonna come. If it does come, I don't think it's gonna be very much, but hopefully it'll be a little bit on the ground, just enough for the girls to get out and see it and maybe make a snow angel in it or something like that. So I think we're about to head to bed. Hopefully when we wake up, there's snow on the ground. It's finally morning time. And so got up this morning, just pumped, excited for the snow. Our kids prayed for snow last night. We're excited. And we got us some snow. It's awesome. It is covering everywhere. It's like a blizzard hit. It's amazing. Take a look. Yeah, finally out the door. Look at all the snow. Just kidding. Just kidding. Well, we did get a little bit of snow. But that's about all we got right there. That's it. That's all we got. But still got the kids bundled up. Got them rocking out like the little kid off of A Christmas Story. Several jackets, several pants. Allie chilling out here in the bumbo. What's up, kid? Is it too cold for you outside? Say yes. Say it's too cold to go outside right now. Yeah.
I will
Good morning.
fix it. You have to be
Hey.
patient. Arms.
Hey, in just a second. Hey. Put my hood on. Thank you.
What are you doing? Do 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 do.
Y'all come to the back and let me bother your hair back.
Hey, where are we going?
Outside. Outside.
Where are we gonna play in?
Snow.
Let's go.
Abby, this is snow.
Looks to be more ice than it. Oh, here we go. I got a little bit. Ooh, snow.
Car.
Wow, there's snow in my car.
See?
Cool.
And even more.
Yeah. I don't know that can be considered much snow, but it's a little bit. Maybe. Sort of. I think it was snow at one time and now it's turned to ice.
Hey, why do you come out here? And here's the front.
Back up, girls.
Whoa.
But Anna, I'm serious. Back up. All the way back. Ooh. Maybe that was a bad idea. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh.
Can you see the bottom of it right here? It's the closest we're gonna get to snow. It's so cold.
Wanna get some snow?
Don't. I'm serious.
I want some snow, Daddy.
Hang on.
They look like ice. What, Mommy?
I see.
I just licked it.
Here.
Ew, don't lick it.
Here, hold out your hand.
No.
Oh my gosh, the leaves are frozen. There's some on the basketball goal.
I just ate some snow.
You did. That's kind of gross.
What you eating?
No.
Snow.
Hey!
Oh, stupid.
Snow. Look at all the snow. Snow, snow.
And look at me and eat it.
There's some snow.
What you eating?
Ice.
Ice.
I want to get some snow. So many snow.
Look at all of it right here.
Oh,
Icy.
crunchy. Will we be able to slide?
I mean, you would.
Can you slide right now?
Hey, Heather, come here.
He breaks my kid's swing set. I'm gonna beat him. Yep, tell him, Abby. Alright, if you break. Anna, move out of the way, Anna.
That was fun.
Even birds know.
Yum. Hey, don't be throwing. Abigail, don't throw the sand, baby. Alright, let's walk back over here. Oh, that wind's freezing. Whew. It's a little chilly out. It's not too bad until the wind kicks up. Then it's cold. So I'm just enjoying what little bit of snowish stuff we got here. It's more than we usually get, so that's good. Kids are enjoying it. So just won't be out here much longer. It's cold, and we'll be heading back in because there's just ice. So hopefully won't be getting out a whole lot today. Not real sure what we're gonna do about church tonight, but I think the roads are gonna be pretty icy around today, but we'll see. Maybe they'll thaw out throughout the day, I don't know. So, but hopefully we'll have a good day. All right, so I got a little bit of snowy stuff actually. Found some here on my car. So, scoop it up. Yum. That's good. You want some more? It is supper time, Wednesday night. We don't have church services tonight due to the weather. Mostly just due to the freezing temperatures, and we don't want people to have to get out in that and risk running into any ice or anything. So we are at home cooking some supper. Got some tilapia fillets here. We are putting up, got some seasoning here, putting on them. So getting those in some tinfoil packets here. And we'll get those in the oven soon, and Heather's making I think a corn and bean salad got going on, and so just getting some supper ready. But I wanted to show you what Allie made here. Mommy is fixing her first bowl of cereal. Baby cereal, that is. Got some Gerber rice cereal going on. So Mommy's got her first bowl here. We are gonna give it to her and see how it goes. So we'll see what happens.
What's the camera doing? I haven't fed a baby in a long time. Ready? I have not fed a baby in a long time. Are you ready for this?
What you think? Is that good stuff? Is that good stuff? Hey.
He's like, hey, I got some of this food. I got some food. Yeah, Mom and Daddy giving me some food. Hey, you gotta eat it. You gotta swallow it. Yeah. Look, I gotta swallow it. Yeah. Gotta eat it. Are you not gonna eat? You don't want it? You don't want it? It's like this. Whoa, you swallowed that down, didn't you? Yeah. That's good. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Yeah. That's pretty good. Dang. Oh, is it too weird on your tongue? Does it? Okay, I don't want it on my hand.
Hello.
What are you doing? Y'all do something funny. There you go, Anna. Do some crazy dances.
Watch this one.
Alright, do a crazy dance for
Jump
us.
forward, jump backwards, jump forward, jump backwards. Clap, clap. March, march. Slide to one side, slide to the other side.
Good job. Who does that kind of stuff?
Minnie and Daisy.
Cool.
Daisy.
Hey, show me a funny face.
That's so Daisy. Hello, hello.
Show me a funny face.
I'm not there. A silly dance.
Alright, show me your silly dance.
Jump forward, jump backwards, jump forward, jump backwards, jump forward, jump backwards. March, march, march.
Hey, do your jump in a circle and land on your knees.
Yeah.
Remember? Whoa, do it back. Do that back up a little bit and do it. Back up, back up. Alright, now do it. Do it again. One more.
It hurts.
Oh, it hurts. Okay. Okay, give it a kiss. Right there. Good job.
I'm not see Abby.
So we just finished supper. Had a really good supper. Fish and girls had hot dogs. It was really good.
Wait, Daddy, wait, look.
What is that? Show me.
It's a ring.
Show me.
It's a ring.
Whoa. Cool.
It's a ring. I want one. I didn't find one, so there's only
We'll share it. It'll be your turn to wear it in a little bit. So anyway, we just finished supper, and I got little Allie Mae over here. Gonna get in the back, so. What's up? What's up?
Abby, Anna.
I like getting in the tub. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Oh, big girl sitting up now. What are you doing? Sitting on the big girl side of the tub. Who said you could grow up so fast? Say. Who said you could grow up so
I'm
fast?
cold, Daddy.
Are you cold? No. Can't be cold. Enjoying a little tub time. Alright, well that about concludes the day. About to get the older girls who are being crazy whiny right now. About to get them in the tub and then hit the bed. Get ready for Thursdays, which are crazy days for the Hitchcock family. Have a good night.
Are you being camera shy? Yeah. Are you being camera shy? Hey. Yeah. Hey. I know. You're precious.